So the next step is outlining your sevenths in Sharpie. So step number 1, get your boo-boo paper, okay? We want to make sure that this is not going to bleed onto the tables, okay? Once you have your boo-boo paper, you're still going to need your ruler. These need to be straight lines, okay? And you're simply just going to outline just the lines, okay? Give it a second, maybe blow on it before you move your ruler, okay? Permanent marker does need a second to dry, otherwise it will smudge. We don't want smudges. Smudges are not that nice looking. All right, so just continue with that all the way around. You're going to leave your picture in pencil. All right, so the next step is one of these parts is going to be filled with the element line. Okay, line is exactly how it sounds. There's so many different kinds of lines. Really, the number is infinite. So after you watch the line video, you will be filling one of these boxes on part of your object with Zentangle patterns, okay? So, hold on, let me get out of here. All right, so now that I can minimize this, okay, so I put in step-by-step Zentangle patterns in a Google search, okay? So if you just even go to images, you'll actually find ones that show you exactly step-by-step to get them filled in. So really, some of these look really hard, but they're not. You just have to find the good step-by-step tutorials. This is one that we did last year. Maybe you did it on the name Zentangle patterns that we did last year in 6th grade. Anyhow, you can go to image search and you will find lots of step-by-step ones. You can even go to videos and you'll find videos where they actually show you step-by-step how to do certain Zentangle patterns. Okay, usually they don't talk over them, and sometimes they're sped up a bit, but you can actually see them being done. Okay, so you need to find different Zentangle patterns that fit your object. So for me, maybe I want to do one of these parts that's in the top, because if this is coffee, this is going to be a really dark Zentangle pattern. My cup, I might do lighter, okay, and then my background maybe like a medium, okay. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do for these. I might even make these thick, these little steam lines, and kind of make them into separate shapes that I fill with kind of just simple Zentangle line patterns, okay? But I'm going to try and find things that are fitting and the same value, lightness or darkness, of the objects and the space within my picture. This will be also finished in ink. You will be using this, so a Sharpie pen. These are the finest tipped ones. They don't bleed. These ones are going to be probably the heart of your Zentangle designs, but it is fun sometimes to mix thicker lines with thin lines, so use your best judgment. If it's something tiny with detail, you want to go with this, okay? I probably wouldn't use this unless you're really smart with it, because if you go slowly with this, it's going to not be a nice straight even line. It's going to bleed and it's going to look maybe even a little bit wobbly. If you have details, it's going to make it look like blobs, okay? So this is probably what you're going to use for most of it.